Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It is Murrin here. Sorry, I just done that all wrong, but it doesn't matter. And today I'm here with my daddy. And we're going to be looking at slimes that I bought. And I have opened them up and played with them, so that's why they're shrunk, because I play with slime and they go and they shrink. So this one is a unicorn putty. They're not really slime. Well, they are putty. They stretch as a putty. And it comes with a unicorn figure.
That's a good camera right here, pal. Down there.
Yeah, I know. And it's like that. It looks all nice and clean on camera, but it's actually not. And then the stretch, you need to be really slow. Very bad slime. But I actually really like it. The click.
And there's a farty noise.
Stop. See how bad is it here? Right, I kinda like this.
You get another one? Open another one.
Stretches. No, I need to rate it, Daddy. What do you rate it first, the slime?
7 out of 10.
Yes, I rate it I think 7, yeah. So big. And it's in this container. Never mind the pound sign. There's pounds here. So we have... No. Oops. Okay, let's close that over. The next slime is another unicorn slime. It's got a mini unicorn in it.
I don't know why I'm here.
You are helping me rating the slime.
8 out of 10.
You do not
like
rate
this
it
one.
in it. But
Sticky.
you need, yeah, it is sticky. And it's small. Can you please get that? And then I've got this green.
Is that our door?
She's like, no, we unicorn. A unicorn. I love this unicorn. This slime is amazing. Look.
Ooh!
Oh, I forgot to do the bubbles,
I feel that
but it has made them really good bubbles.
Oh, I like that one.
So let's rate it. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10.
I'm giving it an 8.
I'm giving it a 9 because I really like that one. Okay, so the next slime of the container can't go on bubble. Can you get it one? The next slime. This isn't slime. This is water. I just wanted to show you guys this colour of water.
Yeah.
Just kidding. It's
You put
the
it in
slime.
that? Is that how it comes?
Huh?
Oh, give me a feel like that. Let me rate that. Oh, that's a 10.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like Ghostbuster slime.
Don't touch. It feels like water.
Minging!
The click is a good
Oh, I
because
like that one.
it's a goofy slime. The stretch. Oops. The stretch. Oh my gosh, these slimes are in the way.
Look like snot.
The stretch is so nice. A booger, you mean? Ugh, that looked disgusting.
Fingers go slimy with that one, but
So now I'm gonna do the clip.
Bolt.
This is this clip.
Hey guys, I'm bugging out. Peace out.
Bye. He's still in the room with me. Bye. So this is that slime again. Poke. Really good. So I'm quickly doing the poke test real quick. I'm doing it really quick because don't know why I'm doing. Clap poke. Awesome on this one. I clipped it in the container. Listen to its clip in the container. Listen. Oh. This is my pet Wolfie. I love Wolfie. Yeah, that's Wolfie. That's slime.
Right, mind you stop it around about 8 minutes, pal, so it doesn't take long to upload.
Guys, so what I'm going to say
Another minute or two.
is please like, subscribe and share and leave a comment down below what slime you thought was the best. The pink unicorn slime, the purple unicorn slime, or the blue goofy slime. Wah! I like the blue goofy. And everybody, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.